Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Ben with TheRatchetset, and we are back with another amazing episode for you guys. We want to say thank you to our subscribers, people that like and comment on our videos. We know 2020 has been one big twisted T to the face, but you guys have stuck through it, and we appreciate that. I'll start off by saying this video is not about the car that we've been working on. This is a standalone video of what we've been working on for the last year. We've been starting our own business, and it's involved rebuilding a 1964 Ford Econoline van from the ground up. We thought the van only needed a little bit of work, but it wound up being completely roached, sheet metal wise. So this video is about all the work we put in to get that van off the ground. It's taken a little longer than we thought, and we apologize.
We're sorry.
Check this thing out, man. This thing is amazing. We turned it into a mobile bar. So if you can imagine, it has 6 taps on the side, a bar in the back for wine and liquor, its own cooling system. It's on air ride, completely redone body work and a wrap. This thing's amazing. Check it out. Let us know what you guys think, man. Subscribe, like, comment. We love talking to you guys, so we'll see you guys soon. And there will be another video posted about the car in 2 weeks. We've done some work. A little sneak peek of something we got going on here on the roll cage. But stay tuned. There'll be a lot more videos coming out. Appreciate you guys. So this is a quick view of inside of the van. That's the back side of the bar. This is the hidden door for special events, VIP package. But I just kind of wanted to show you how it works. So I'm using a door stopper right now. This is connected to the door. So I'll go ahead and hook this up for you with one hand. Give me a second. Alright. So this is how it works. Boom. And I'll take a video of the outside so you can see what happens. But basically, it opens up a little hiding spot. Boom. Hopefully you can see it. Ta-da! And you can keep your weed in it. Ah, what a loser on camera.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
Perfect.
Bye, have a beautiful time!